children here. Welcome to UKG assembly. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Silent prayer. தெக்கனமும் அதில் சிறந்த தாவின திருநாடும் தக்க சிற பிற நுதலும் திலகுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுறை எத்திகையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்து பெறும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீலன்மை திறம் என்று செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே. School song. Happy morning everyone. My name is Silesh. God makes my life bright. Whether go heavenly. God makes my life bright. Whether go heavenly. In saves my different. Inspire me to rise. Inspire and achieve. Through hill and dale. In saves my different. Inspire me to rise, inspire and achieve, to hill and dale. Flames of Shakthi, lean thee on the path of the wisdom and truth. It gives me strength, because find comfort, life. Happy morning, I'm Prajit. India is my country. All Indians are and brothers and sisters. I love my country and going for rich and hairy heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall my parents, teachers, all elders, respect and treat everyone courtesy to my country and my people. I take my devotion in their well-being. Pity around my happiness. Jai Hind. இன்றைய திருக்குறள். அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பேர் ஈஷா. இன்றைய திருக்குறள். திறனறிந்து சொல்லுக சொல்லை அரணும் பொருளும் அதனினும் விளக்கம். சொல்லை திறனறிந்து சொல்ல வேண்டும். அத்தகைய சொல்வன்மை விட அரணும் பொருளும் இல்லை. குறள் எண் 644. அதிகாரம் சொல்வன்மை. நன்றி, வணக்கம். Today's Hindi thought. Good morning to all. I am telling to Hindi thought. एक नयन बगासा, एक नया जीवन होता है. English meaning a new language. Attend new place. Thank you. start. Happy morning, everyone. I'm Prajit. Studying UKG. English start. Different. I love English. I different vision of life. Thank you. Today, assembly theme is Learn to Spell. Class teacher speech.
A very happy morning to one and all present here. Today we are going to present an assembly on the topic of learn to spell. To read English successfully, children must learn to turn the words they see in a text into sounds and make sense of these sounds. It is important for children to learn letter-sound relationships because English uses letters in the alphabet to represent sounds. Phonics teaches this information to help children learn how to read. Children learn the sounds that each letter makes and how a change in the order of letter changes a word's meaning. Children's reading development has shown that the phonics approach is more effective than the meaning-based approaches such as the whole language approach in improving young children's reading skills. Vocabulary instructions can go hand in hand with phonics instruction. Keywords that contain the target letter sound relationships are first embedded in fun visuals that make sense to the children. Vocabulary instruction is followed by games through which children learn to identify and manipulate sounds. Sound manipulation includes combining sound units to form a word known as blending or breaking a word down into its component sound units known as segmentation. Now let me see how our children learning to spell in kindergarten. Thank you.
Team-based video. Hello everyone. I'm Isha. I'm going to explain vowels. Short vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, A. For example, pat, what, sit, dog, bud. Long vowels. When two words go walking, first vowel do talking by saying its name. A, I, E. E, E, E. I, E, I. O, E, O. U, E, U. For example, gate, leaf, dead, goat, glue. Thank you. Hi friends, I am Pradanya. Blends. We learn. Recipe for blends. Insert one consonant, dash consonant. Combine together to give a new sound. Bill up, slap. Bill up, block. Grass. Bill and plant. Bill as plant. Thank you. Hello everyone. I am Vinesh. Got phonics. The diagram is the combination of two letters that make one complete sound. C and H in chip sound. Chips, chops. T and H it sound. Ting tick. Yes and H mix sound. block. P pack. Rack. Generally, we use K before E and I. E is the kid. King. Generally, we use C before A-O and U. At cat. Up cup. Up cup. Generally, we use K after consonant. Pink. Shark. Generally, we use long vowel sound. Is speak. Cloak. Thank you everyone. Bye. Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about Saucy and Horsey. When she says yes sound before E, I, Y. It is called Saucy. When she is followed by A, O, U and any consonant, it makes lip sound. Remember, have fun with spellings. Happy morning. Hello everyone. Do you know the letter Q? Always use the letter U. U is not the vowel. Quid. Can you send the example that U is not the vowel? Thank you. Hi friends, happy morning. Today topic is J and J. Before E, A, I, E, Y. It will start soft G. Example, gym, giraffe, jill. The G says G sound. Before A, E, O. A, E, Y. Yeah, or U. And any consonant. Example, glass, gun and gate. Thank you. Happy morning to all. I'm Reggie, studying in UKG classroom. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain the classroom. If you word, we are one vowel and one N with L, Z. This double the last letter. Ball, glass, but thank you. Amazing facts. I am Rana. I am studying Nursery. English is the most widespread language. Most used English letter is E. Happy morning. Hello everyone. Rhythm is the longest word in English without vowels. Go is the grammatically correct sentence in English. Thank you. First, read a vowel. Long vowel says his name. Rule do not work 100% all the time. for appreciation.
Celebrating and recognizing the kids are very important. It happens in everyday's class. Let me appreciate the UKG stars. Isha is above and beyond star. Avishkar, Ilaish and Shivanya are academic excellence stars. Assam altitude stars are Ritik and Kanish. Progressive stars are Pranav, Pragalya and Pradanya. Lutin is artfully creative star. Prajit always difference maker of the class. Thank you. Addressed by our beloved principal ma'am and our respectful vice chairman sir.
Brain yoga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. National Anthem. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा तामिल उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि सरंगा डब शुभ नामे जाहे डब शुभ आशीष माहे गावे डब जिय खाड़ा जनगण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. Thank you. School dispersed.